We arrived at our first stop late and began setting up our cars for the evening. Some of us adjusting our seats to just sleep in those, others curling out on the back, making it look real comfy. Taj Mahar with an air mattress and some curtains to keep the privacy, and some of us building a deck inside the car and sleeping on that. The next morning we were greeted to a smoky sunrise and cars full of weary travelers. We started packing up, putting our seats in, and hit the road. Not long after, we found a safe place to pull over so we could do our next challenge.
Alright, so why did you pull us off the road?
Okay, so we're going to test the performance of our cars. Obviously, we've all got cars that are a little bit older. Some of us have higher miles.
Some of us have leaky
Some of
stuff.
us have fluids leaking. And so this will be a good test to see how well your car's fared over the years. So we're going to be doing 0 to 60 tests, and we're going to compare to what the factory rated 0 to 60 was. So for every 1/10 of a second slower than your factory 0 to 60, you will lose 20 points from your overall score. So I've recorded what your factory 0 to 60 should be, and we'll compare it to that. So you're going to do best of 2. We're going to do one run that way and then one run back. Probably the run back will be faster because it looks like it is downhill. So
Well, are we gonna average between the 2 runs?
no,
No?
Then why do 2?
then only do one.
But then we've got that downhill is gonna be obviously
Faster.
faster.
You're
and then
still
the
not going
uphill
to.
is
You're
gonna
not
be-
going to hit your factory even going downhill.
But I think
I
that
promise.
mixing the uphill and the downhill, you
Is a
get a
good
more
average.
even.
We'll fine. We'll
especially
average
two
yours and we'll take the best of mine because that's what I said I wanted to do.
Oh, you're
Yeah, I'll
just going to take the
of mine,
best?
too.
Well, that's what my plan was. You
Oh.
can take an average if
No,
you
I'll
like.
do the best.
Well, good. Then what's the problem?
No problem.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do.
Alright.
Cool.
One by one, the vehicles were lined up and ran their 0 to 60 and were there and back, taking the best run out of the 2. As you can see, the Volvo was rated at 6.6 seconds and came in with a 9.94 second best time. The Impala was a 9.8 second rated time with a 13.89 actual. Bonnie with an 8-second flat rated time came in at a 10.2, and the G35 6.2 second rated to a 10.92 actual. The overall winner, by a big surprise, is Bonnie. With the test out of the way, we hit the road again, performed an unofficial tunnel test. And then found somewhere to pull off the road to review the results of the white t-shirt contest we had performed earlier in the morning.
And yours is after.
What is a white t-shirt contest? Well, fluids are collected from each vehicle and wiped onto a t-shirt, and then later evaluated to judge the cleanliness and state of condition. This allowed you to judge how well the vehicle was maintained prior to us purchasing them for this trip.
15 seconds is up.
I'm trying to make my belt so go in.
Volvo's 12.
Volvo's 12. Okay, Anton, what'd you get?
18.
Ooh.
And
Borrow
you?
the pen. 18.
Oh, you tied.
Ooh.
So now what do? You guys tied for first.
We gotta test something
and I
else
got
on these.
17.
We gotta test something else on
I
it.
actually got 12, so
Oh.
I was going to recount it.
I was
Corey
gonna
was
say,
on to me. I
He's
could
a
see
big
it.
goofy smile. I'm like, yeah, recounts.
Did you really get 18 on the Bonnie?
I did. So there's 4.
Yeah, so we're tied for
Four,
last. So
four.
we get 25 points each.
3.
8. You go story their
All right,
vehicle.
so that was a good test because it could tell how good our cars are, you know, mechanically maintained.
But my engine's good. That's how much life.
But then your supercharger.
My bumpy
also
front end
an
does
issue
not
that might
feel
I haven't
good.
heard a single word.
With the white t-shirt contest complete, we hit the road for the final leg of the journey, returning to the place where it all started.
Okay, so all of the scores are in. We have this awesome trophy for the winner. It says Le Mans 500 first place with a mater on it and a well done cone. So, looking at the scores, the 4th place is Rusty Balls with a total score of 32 overall. In 3rd place, Bonnie with a total score of 435. Now it should be mentioned that until the final challenge, Bonnie was winning by a mile, an absolute mile. There was no way anybody was going to catch. So Bonnie was probably the winner till we came up with this really legit final challenge.
Which is all part of owning a $500 car.
For sure. Yeah, it's legit. So it came down to James Bondo or Taj Mahal. And the winner is, with 935 points, beating out the 2nd place car by almost 500 points, James. Actually, no, it's the Volvo. Taj Mahal won it with 935 points.
So then, you've got the milk duds.
The consolation prize. We are all milk duds.
We participated. We survived and made it home.
All right,
That's
and
just an add-on.
and that brings the Le Mans 500 2018 edition to a close.
Where's my champagne?
No champagne.
Long, hard trip. There's some ups, there's some downs. In the end, I win. That's all that matters. I'd like to thank everyone who participated for losing so badly, and me for being the best. Oh yeah, the car was good too.
It's all about me.
That's it. That's all I got for you. Drive off into the sunset now.
Thanks for watching. If you're interested in joining us for the next rally, you can always hit us up in the comments below. We'd love to have more people out. It's a lot of fun, and we promise we'll do better with videoing and editing this next time.